We have some spicy peppers right here.
If you like our videos, please share and subscribe and watch till the end.
Hi guys! Come on in, we're gonna show you how we're gonna make dumplings today. Today we're gonna show you our family recipe how to make Russian dumplings.
Let's get started. We're gonna have 2 pounds of beef, 1 pound of chicken, and black pepper, pink salt, pepper that is different varieties. It's like black, red, green peppers inside. We're gonna take 3 onions and 4 eggs. We're gonna have 2 eggs for the dough and 2 eggs for the meat. We have flour, it's white flour, and olive oil. If you guys want, you can use different kind of oils. 3/4 of water and 1/4 of milk. And now we're gonna start with the chicken. We're gonna chop it up and grind it. The kids are having fun. You can use different kind of meat. You can add chicken, pork, beef. Peeling the onions is fun. You can cry and be happy at the same time. Matches, careful. Don't break the grinder. Looks like your guys are about to cry, huh? And now we're gonna add the garlic into the meat, grind it up. We like the taste of the garlic. Break 2 eggs and mix it up into the meat. And now have fun with it. You can mix the meat with a spoon or you can use your hands. Just enjoy this process. We are ready to mix the chicken with the onions and the garlic and the beef all together. We gotta mix it really good. Add some pepper and some salt, and we are done with the part 1, preparing the meat. For the second part, we're gonna prepare the dough. We have 4 cups of flour, 2 eggs that we're gonna mix, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. One cup of water. I like to add some milk, so I do 3/4 of a cup of water and 1/4 with milk. You can add half a cup to begin the process and then add the rest of the water as you go. Once it's all mixed up, add some flour to make it non-sticky. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and leave it for 30 minutes. "30 minutes after, the dough is ready. Add some flour on the table, that way the dough doesn't stick to your hands or to the table, and just roll it up. Wow, guys, we are almost done. Look at this beautiful dumplings. We call them Pelmeni. Or some people call them raviolis. We have decided to make our food more fun, so we're gonna add some colors to it. We have blue, green, and red color. To make the dough different color, you just add a couple drops of coloring into the water and mix it up and add it to the dough when you make it.
You guys want the ketchup?
Yes. And ranch. I like ranch and ketchup.
You have red dumplings and you have like a green dumplings. So we decided to change up some colors, make different kind of colors. We have green, we have like red, pinkish color, we have some blue of them, and then with some beige ones. You want some ranch?
Yes. I will.
No ranch for you? What about sour cream?
Oh, no.
I like to eat them with sour cream. They're the best with sour cream. And put some black peppers.
That's really yummy.
Really yummy. You want some black peppers?
Yes.
So what do you guys think? You guys like them?
Yes.
Good. Well, good job, guys. You made them. Yeah? Did you guys enjoy the process of making them? We have some spicy peppers right here.